Good morning, my little ones. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and we met yesterday where I taught you new blends in English, which are FR words. So children, today we are going to do a quick recap of FR words where I'm going to show you some pictures. Then we are going to do a fun activity, and then we are going to write FR words in our notebook. So let's go.
Let's revise FR words once again. The first picture is of a frog. Frog, frog. Frog, frog. Frogs are amphibians, means these animals can live in water and on land. It has smooth, moist skin and big, bulging eyes. Most frogs have webbed back feet to help them leap and swim. This is a frock. 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 It is a loose garment worn by a girl or woman. It is also called a dress or a gown. This is frame. 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 A protective and decorative edging where one can put a picture, painting, or a mirror. This is frill. 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 Frill means a strip of pleated material like cloth or lace used as decoration or trim on clothes, like this dress which has a frill at the bottom of it. This is fry, 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 to cook food in very hot oil until it is crispy is called fry.
So children, for this fun activity today, we are going to make something which we learned today with an FR word, which is FRAME, frame. So for this activity, we need some pictures which I have here. We need some ice cream sticks, either plain or colored. We need a scissor, a pencil and glue. So let's begin. So children, if you have plain ice cream sticks like this, you can color it in your favorite color, either blue, green, yellow, red, whichever color you like. Here I have both. I have colored ice cream sticks as well. So this is what I'm going to use. Okay. So what we are going to do is we're going to take two of the same color, put it one side. Blue color I've taken. Then I'm going to take green color and place it like this. Then we are going to place the yellow color, and then we're going to place two red color, and then we are going to stick this with the help of glue. We're going to stick the yellow, both the yellows on the blue and green, and both the reds on this side of the blue and green. Okay. So this is the way I have stuck it with the help of glue. I've stuck, and what have we made here? Look, we made a frame. So in this frame, I have all these different pictures with me. So many different pictures. You can put pictures of you and your best friend, you and your brother, sister. You can put your mummy, papa's picture. You can put your nani, nanas, dadi, dadas, anybody's picture that you would like in this frame. So I'm going to choose from all these pictures, I'm going to choose this picture of a white flower. So I placed the picture first. On that, I put the frame that we made, and then with the help of a pencil, we make an outline as to how much we have to cut. Okay, and then I'm going to use the help of a scissor and cut. You will take your parents' help to cut the picture according to the size of the frame. So children, now I have cut the picture according to the size that I want. Now what we have to do? See carefully. Then we take this frame that we made, we turn it on the flip side, and then we take glue and we put some glue like this on both the sides here. Then we take a picture and we turn it and we stick it, and then we press it gently on the side till the picture sticks, and then we turn it and this is our frame. Wow, look at the frame. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? So you can use, I have used a flower. You can use whatever picture is your favorite, and you can make these beautiful colorful frames and keep it in your room. I hope you enjoyed this fun activity. So let's begin writing FR words today. We begin with today's date. So today is 5.9.2020. Outside the margin line, leave 2 finger space, and then you will write F R, 1 finger space, W O R D S, words, FR words. First word is frog, 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 frog. So from the red line we make a curve, come down to the second blue line, across, blue line to blue line, standing line, and a curve R, blue line to blue line O, blue line to blue line, make a C, go up, come down, touch the red line, and curve G. FROG, frog. Frogs are amphibians, means these animals can live in water and on land. It has smooth, moist skin and big bulging eyes. Most frogs have webbed back feet to help them leap and swim. Now we will write frock, frog, frock. So make a curve from the red line, come down to the second blue line, across F, one standing line, blue line to blue line, and make a curve R, blue line to blue line O, blue line to blue line, make a half curve C and K. So red line to second blue line, standing line, then put your pencil in the middle of the standing line and make a slanting line, and on the other slanting line leave a little gap and make another slanting line and touch the second blue line. FROCK, frock. It is a loose garment worn by a girl or woman. It is also called a dress or a gown. Next word is frame, frame. So from the red line, make a curve, come down to the second blue line, across F, blue line to blue line R, make a curve, blue line to blue line, go up and down A, standing line, and make a curve, touch the second blue line, and one more curve M, and blue line to blue line E. Frame, frame, a protective and decorative edging where one can put a picture, painting, or a mirror. Next word is frill, frill, FRILL. So from the red line, make a curve, come down to the second blue line, across F, blue line to blue line, standing line, and a curve R, blue line to blue line, standing line I with one dot, red line to second blue line L, again red line to second blue line, standing line L. FRILL, frill. Frill means a strip of pleated material like cloth or lace used as decoration or trim on clothes. Next word is fry, fry. So from red line, make a curve, come down to the second blue line, across F, standing line, blue line to blue line, and a curve R, one slanting line, blue line to blue line, and another slanting line, blue line to red line. Y, fry, fry. To cook food in very hot oil until it is crispy is called fry. For example, French fries. Okay, children, so let's read the words once more. Frog, frog. Frog, frog. Frock, frock. Frock, frock. Frame, frame. Frame, frame. Frill, frill. Frill, frill. Fry, fry. So children, these 5 words you have to read, learn the spellings and write it in the second column, third column and the fourth column, like how I have written. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed doing this activity as much as I did. I loved making the frame with you all, and I hope you too will make the same at home with the help of your parents and put your favorite picture in that frame. Till we meet again, keep revising your English blends and we'll meet soon. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.